So here we have x is 6 and x is -1. At point 6, I have to substitute on the equation. At this one here. As an example, let's say that we have an x equal 4 minus, or y equal 4 minus 6. 4 minus x. So 4 minus 6 is -2. So we have x -2. At point -1. 4 minus -1. So 4 minus -1 is 5. So the two coordinates here is x -2 and -1, 5. These are the two solutions for these two for this system of equations. Do you have any question?
No, teacher. No.
Right, let's solve another example now. I have more examples to solve them. Inshallah, it will be clear. What are the solutions of the system? Y minus 30 equal 12x and y equal x squared plus 11x minus 2. Then, after that here now, I need to make them all the variables and isolate all the variables and all the constant on term, and the other one I have to put 0. The first step, let's subtract -12x negative. So the first step, I will give you an easier way. Here we have positive 12x. Let's make minus 12x minus 12x. Okay? Here, as I told you, I have to put 0 on side and all the variables, all the numbers on the second side. How? By removing this 12x and moving it to the second side. How? By subtracting -12x, -12x. What I have now, I have x squared minus x minus 12 equal 30. Is it ready?
No, teacher, across both. Minus 2.
No.
Minus 2.
So I have now to remove the -30. This is an easier way, okay?
Okay.
So here, this one, I have now an x squared minus x minus 42 equals 0. Then after that, after I substitute, I need now to factorize. In the first one, we said subtract or eliminate, factor, find x and y. Here, substitute, factor, find x and y. So let's now say 0 is, let's now factorize them. Two numbers, if you add them or if you multiply them, you get -42. And if you add them, you get -1. What are the points? 7 and 6. Thank you. -7 and +6. So x is -7, x is +6. Then let's choose the 0 property. What does it mean? That means if 0, I will say 0, it could be x minus 7, and 0, it could be x plus 6. If 0 is x minus 7, so what does it mean? What is the value of x? It is 7.
It will be +7.
And here, minus 6, so it is
X equal -6.
-6. Thank you. So I found the two values of x, which is 7, sorry, and -6.
Sorry, teacher, for being late. The phone shut down.
So teacher, the coordinates of the X.
Now let's find now the y's. To find the y's, we have to substitute in one of the equations.
Here, y equal 12x plus 30. We replace 7.
Yeah. So here we have 7 and -6. So we have to replace here on the first one, which is y equal 12x plus 30. 12 times 7, I have to replace 7 or to substitute with 7. So 12 times 7,
84.
84 plus 30.
Equal 140.
140, thank you. The second one, 12 times -6.
12 times -6 equal what?
Here, let's make it here now.
36, -36.
Y is -x plus 30. So it's -12 times -6 plus 30. 12 times -6 is negative what?
-72.
Thank you. -72 plus 30.
It will be -42.
Negative
42.
42, yes. So here, f is x is 7, y is 114, and if x is -6, y is -42. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
We finished, teacher, the lesson.
Yeah, yes, this is the idea, but we have to solve more examples.
Okay.
I have here now 1 example, 2 examples, 3 examples. Yeah, let's solve now this one here. Y is x squared minus 2x minus 6, and y is 4x plus 10. As we said, we put one equation on the right and one equation on the left. X squared minus 2x minus 6 on the left as an example, and 4x plus 10 on the right. Is it clear? Now step by step. The first one. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
miss.
Then let's move now this 4x to the second side. Since it is positive, positive inverse is negative, so negative 4x, negative 4x. Then x squared minus 2 minus 4, or negative 2 minus 4, negative 6. Minus 6 equal 10. I need now to move 10. What is the sign of 10 here? It's positive. What is the inverse of positive 10?
teacher, wait.
Negative.
It must be -4. I mean, x squared minus 6x minus. Ah, yes, now. Made it.
So let's move the positive 10 now to the other side by subtracting 10. So you will have an x squared minus 6x minus 16 equals 0. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, miss. Miss, why -6 with -10, it's equal -6.
Why what?
Here, -6 minus 10 Well, not negative 6x.
Here, negative 2. Wait, please. Here, negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x. And negative 6 plus negative 10, I have the same sign, so I will add them, which will be negative 16.
Oh, okay. I didn't saw the negative 16. I
Okay.
saw the negative
Okay, there's
6x.
no problem. Then after that, after I substitute, what I have now, an quadratic equation. Can I factorize them?
Yes. Yes. No, teacher. 16. Yes.
So I will factorize them now as two numbers. If you multiply them, you get negative 16, and if you add them, you get negative 6. They have to be
8 and 8
8
and
and
2.
2. So x is negative 8, x plus 2. Then that's mean when x minus 8, it could be 0, and x plus 2, it could be 0.
X plus 8. X.
So that's mean x is 8. And here that's mean x is negative 2. Now let's replace x with one of the equations.
8 times by 4. 32 plus 10.
So after I will repeat, substitute, factorize, find x, find y. To find y, I will substitute in any equation. Let's choose the easier one. 4 times 8. Let's choose the second one. Y equal 4x plus 10. 4 times 8 plus 10. 4 times 32 plus 10. 42. So the first coordinate here is 842. The second one, choose negative 2. 4 times negative 2 plus 10. 4 times negative 2 is what?
Negative 8.
Negative 8 plus 10.
Or negative 2.
So the 2 points here are negative 2 and 2. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Let's solve number 19 now, and then I will stop here. In number 19, we have two equations. Yalla, quickly. 3x minus 20 on this side, and on this other side, negative x squared plus 34. Let's now try to move this side to the other one. Add x squared, add x squared. Now, if you move the right to the left or the left to the right, you will get the same answer. So plus x squared plus x squared. What you will get? You will get an x squared plus 3x minus 20 equal 34. Is it right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I need now to move the positive 34 on the other side by subtracting negative 34, negative 34. So x squared plus 3x negative 90, negative 20, negative 34 is negative what?
54.
54.
Equal 0. Then I need now to factorize this equation here. Yeah.
X plus 6.
9 and 6, thank you. 9 and 6.
One is positive and one is negative.
Yeah, let's say positive 9, negative 6. So x plus 9 equals 0 and x minus 6 equals 0.
Yes.
So the two values of x here, it could be negative 9 and 6.
It means the opposite.
What I have to find now?
Positive 9, teacher, and negative 6.
No.
Negative 9.
No, negative 9 and positive 6.
6.
x minus 6, so x is 6. Then I have to find y. How can I find y?
It says here positive 3. Okay.
Yalla, how can I find y?
Positive 3
The
times
teacher
9,
is 3.
negative 9.
Teacher will multiply by x.
Choose the which equation? As an example, the first one. Yeah. At point negative 9, you will say 3 times negative 9 minus 20. 3 times negative 9, negative 27.
Negative
Minus
21, then 7.
negative 47. So I have negative 9, negative 47. The second one, at point 6.
18 minus 20, negative 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
So the two values here are negative 9, negative 47, and 6, negative 2.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Shall I need to solve another question?
No, teacher. It's clear.
No, No,
Are you sure?
understood. Yes.
Yes.
Right, okay. So I will bye.